Yeah, bless up my people. Yeah, man. Don't know the thing right now, but they are cool out, easy walk. They're the beautiful Turks and Caicos, giving thanks for life. So what's going on, Jamaica, and to the rest of the world? Don't know what's a new link there. Well, people come for just talk about a quick little thing, you know what I mean? Because a few people has reached out to New Link about a thing that's been going on in Jamaica with the system, and you know what I mean? These people are, I said, New Link, get more, you do a video about this now because something not right in the system. And yeah, I decided to say, yeah, I'm going to really talk about this thing. Well, my people, several persons has reached to New Link and they must say, New Link, you know, long we have done our police record and thing, and we can't get our police record now over 2 months. And they must say the machine in Kingston not working, the head of the thing and thing. You understand? And the people, a lot of people in this is hard-working youth in the street, or youth where they in the street, in the ghettos and everything, who find themselves in the hotel program, who get a chance to go up on a work program and thing, but them thing finally come true, but the only thing them need now is to get, you understand, this record now to finish up the processing to get the chance to go in. And they can't get this police record. And the people must say, yo, New Link, just imagine, we're confused because if this is a break in our life or we get a chance to go make life, and as we get the chance to go out there and reach out there at this reach, viewers and my subscribers, them are real serious thing going on now. Me have be real to the people them. A real. Just imagine, right? A youth they done this so, or a female too, you know, if you be a man. You know what I mean? Them get the one break in them life. And there's no way you can go overseas go work without a police record. And them now go look for the local police record. Them are going to get an international police record, meaning check your background all over. You understand? From Jamaica, they need that. It's a must. And you can't get it. You want to fly and you can't get that. It really don't make no sense. It really doesn't make no sense, people, on a serious level, on a serious note. You know what I mean? So, the government at Jamaica and the youth, they must say, yo, Mr. Oles don't go do nothing for it. Because if this go on now, you understand? These are things like that. So, Oles, no need to look into them things. Because enough of these youths and women or whatever, they pay several money. You know what I mean? For do them medical, for do other things too. And them need this thing to make them move, and them cannot make them move. A foolishness them. Them are foolishness. Over 2 months. Zane, when I go do a police record, they will tell us express like maybe 5 days. And if I do the other way, maybe 10 days. And I've been waiting for 2 months. 2 months. That's over 50 days. And you can't see no record. Over 2 months and you cannot see no police record. People, these are stupidness. Stupidness. And when a lot of these youth now who get the chance to fly out, Zane, them get the figure and this happen, set them back, they can't travel again. What you expect from them? I'm just being honest. I'm not going to say, yo, youth have a gun and they go take a gun, go bust, go rob, go kill people. But what do you expect? These youth get frustrated now. Eh? The one move where them get, the one opportunity, they can't make a move. Why? We understand sometimes why when the big rich man them and every people any little thing need for done for them, we come through so easy. And when that little ghetto youth done there, so him need this thing for go through, it takes so long for process. Why? People, things like them here have to reach out there to the public eyes where they can see. You understand? Because this is damaging the youths them. This I get the youth them upset. This I get the youth them cross, and the youth them must say, yo, them feel like them need to just go in a business. You get me? A foolish system. So, I hope say, I don't know. Like several times I do video and them say, yo, New Link, you talk about this government, not see that government, now watch that. But maybe somebody who can reach that somebody, who can reach that somebody, and reach that somebody, then you reach the government. You don't know. You understand? You don't know. God don't believe, say, Mr. Prime Minister, him just did it as a Prime Minister and just sit down in a house and just sit in the Parliament. And if he say, I look what I go on YouTube same way. He might look everywhere same way. Because New Link is one of the most talkative man in Jamaica, in the Caribbean, in the world right now. See? I keep the people updated with what's going on. So, yo, people, we just hope they make a way out for the youth them. On a real level, we just hope they make a way out for these youth, so these youth can get the chance what them need. Get the break what them need. You know what I mean? Because that new link always I say, you know, link always I tell the youth them, so yo, look, youth, put down the guns them. Zane, put on the gun, put on the knife, put on the violence and them thing there. Nobody the crime. Zane, go try find a job. Try find yourself in a school. Go do a work program. You know what I mean? Something. Go do in a hospitality course. You can be in the hotel and 2 tours a reach over there. And maybe one of these youth too is one who take advice from New Link. And when them do get the chance now, this is holding them back now. One thing I tell you now, people, the documents are foreign. They give them a couple of months, they expired. So people start them process, pay much money for do their medical and thing. Then their document expired. Just because of one police record. Eh? One look cheap dirty police record. Eh? Honestly, if there is something in the system, it can be something in the system where them find out so maybe some things now go right. But still, don't let that be a disadvantage or a blockage for other people who you know have a good record and a clean record, who need the chance to go over there. You know what I mean? Wake up. On a real level, wake up. Wake up. Mr. Prime Minister, the Member of Parliament who responds to that there, Minister of Labour, Minister of Border Control, anybody, Minister of Security, everybody done this up. You want to go on now. Look into this. Open the seat and look into it and fix this issue. If the machine that want to fix it too, get it fixed. If you don't need a new one, buy one, because you are going. You know the government, you know have the bank of Jamaica, you know have all of the millions and billions and trillions of dollars can do anything in Jamaica. Make way for the ghetto youth them. Because when them go kill people, when them go rob people, police are go shoot them are go dead, them are go to prison and everything. So when them are do the right thing, I need a break for go watch you. Because one thing you know, if you don't give a fake police record and a bandoli business, there's no way a man can get a clean police record. If him record not clean, unless a dirty business in order. But once now do a real thing, him can't get it. So we need to look into this thing and fix this issue as soon as possible and stop get the ghetto youth them upset. Stop get the children upset. Make way for the youth them. Viewers and subscribers, you don't know the thing go. This is New Link from New Link Production. And I me say attack. You don't know the thing go, man. People, remember, booking line is open for New Link in any Caribbean region. You get what I say? Just make your bookings them now. Remember, MC, event host, special appearance. You don't know the thing go. We come vibes up the party them, we come shell the party them. Host any show, anywhere. New Link Production. USA date coming soon. You don't know the thing go. England, Canada, look out. Europe, Africa, big up. A New Link Production. Make way for the youth them. We say make way for the youths them. Make way for the youths them of Jamaica. Attack. Bless up people. Enough love. I'm out.